up guys? So for this skincare routine, the first thing you'll be needing is raw honey. I just poured this into this bottle, but it's actually raw honey. Just take about this amount and dab it on your face. So honey is really moisturizing. It has a lot of antioxidants, which is really good for your skin. It doesn't contain any harsh chemicals and all that. So wet your hands to make it easier to just run over your face. Massage it gently, really gently. You want to be gentle on your skin, alright? Don't want to be too harsh with it. Now I'm just gonna rinse this off. So it's better to always use lukewarm water it's always better to use lukewarm water when rinsing off your face. Then the next step is take a little amount of honey again. Just do the same thing. Wet my hands now. Then go over gently. Always remember your lips. So this time around, I'm going to be exfoliating with my exfoliating sponge. Alright, so I'm just going to wet it a little bit. Then I'm going to go gently. Remember to be gentle, alright? Be thorough and gentle at the same time. You want to get every corner of your face clean. So having a clean face is one step to having a brighter and smooth skin. So now I'm going to rinse this off with lukewarm water. Alright, so the next step is with that same honey, take about this quantity and leave it as a mask on your face. So this time we're using it as a face mask. You don't have to wet your hands and all that, just the honey alone. Massage it on gently. And leave it for about 15 minutes, or if you have more time, leave it as much as you want, for an hour, 2 hours, whichever time you want. It doesn't really harm the skin or anything. So I'm just going to leave this for about 30 minutes or about 30 minutes or 1 hour. Then I'll come back and rinse it off. I'll show you guys. Alright, so it's about 30 minutes now. I'm going to rinse my face off. So there you have it. One thing about this skincare routine is really simple. You're basically using honey for everything, as face wash, as moisturizer, as mask. I like to keep it simple so that if something goes wrong, I could tell. And honey is really beneficial to the skin. So I hope this works for you guys. Please, I hope you guys enjoy